Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to filter rows in Python. Once you have collected the dataset, you want to specify some condition on which some rows should be selected. Now, how we can do this? Let's see in Python. So, first of all, I'll import the dataset, that is Titanic dataset, very popular dataset available on Kaggle. So, the command line is df is a data frame, is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. PD is used for pandas. I request all of you to please refer my previous lecture to understand the flow of the series. So df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv r into inverted commas. I'll have to specify the path from where I want to import the file. Once I've imported the file, let me include df here. Now I want to select particular rows, and the criteria for selection is age should be less than 40. The individual should be the female, survived, yes, embarked from C. So how can I do this? So I'll write the condition df is equal to df dot loc square bracket round bracket 3 times df age. So you'll have to understand that this is one condition, then an operator. This is second condition, again an operator, then 2 times round bracket, again an operator, survived. So df survived equal to 1, again embarked is in C. So then you complete the brackets. 4 conditions are there, and therefore we are using an operator. Now when I run this, you can see it will select all those rows which have specified this condition. Age less than 40, yes. Gender is female, yes. Survived, okay, 1. Embarked, C. So this is a way you can do the filtering. I can also use OR operator. So again, I will import the data set because the changes have happened on the original data set, and therefore the original data set has changed, and therefore I'm again importing the original data. Now I can also use an OR operator, and for this I'll be using the vertical line. So here I'm specifying that age less than 40 and gender is in female, sex is in female. These two conditions are N, but survived equal to 1 or and embarked is in C is an OR operator. So you will see that these two conditions will be jointly satisfied. Let us see, female and age, they both will be jointly satisfied. But here this is an OR operator. So either of these conditions will be satisfied. So let me run it, shift, enter. So this is a way you can use filtering of the data in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos which are related to data science using Python. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.